Hello everyone, my name is Gino and welcome back to my keto cooking channel. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my great upcoming videos. So you're looking for an easy dinner to make for the entire family. So today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome sheet pan dinner. So let's get started. So you're going to take a red bell pepper and cut it up like this. The next thing we're going to add is a red onion. After that, some colored bell peppers as well. Okay, so once you have everything cut up on your sheet pan here, we're going to drizzle a little bit of avocado oil. Drizzle it like that. Then we're going to add some Montreal steak seasoning. We're going to use this generously. Throw on some fresh garlic. Can't have too much garlic, right? All right. And some garlic powder. Okay, we're going to throw that in the oven, set at 385 degrees, and let's see how it comes out. We're going to let it cook for about 35 minutes. This should be ready. Let's take it out of the oven and take a look. Oh, that looks delicious. Look how that cooked down and how delicious that is. Amazing. So this is a simple sheet pan recipe that you can cook for the entire family. So here you go, dinner is ready. We're gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time on my next video.